Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app, tap on More. Scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. And here, select your Fenix 7 from the list of devices. Now, scroll down, or rather, not scroll down. Tap right here on the More options icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Remove Device and tap on Remove. Now we can tap on Close. Go to Settings on our phone. Open the Connected Devices or Bluetooth settings. And here you probably will see the Fenix 7 on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device. We can also check on our watch if the watch is unpaired from our phone. To do it, press and hold the App/Menu button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the connectivity option and tap on it. Here, find the phone option and tap on it, then scroll down, and if you see option called paired phones, you need to tap on it and unpair the watch, or rather the phone. But as you can see, we don't have the paired phones, we have only pair phone, so it means that the watch is unpaired from our phone. Okay, so that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.